Okay, Higgsfield AI did it again, ladies and gentlemen. This time, they've launched a new feature called Higgsfield MCP, which allows you to use Higgsfield directly inside your favorite AI assistants and agentic workflows. And honestly, this is a pretty big deal. Think about it. Instead of constantly switching between different tools, you can connect Higgsfield to AI assistants like Claude and other MCP-compatible agents, then simply describe what you want and let the AI handle the workflow. For example, Higgsfield can now work alongside Claude. You can connect Higgsfield through MCP, ask Claude to plan an entire content campaign, and then have Higgsfield generate the actual assets. And it gets even more interesting. You can upload a video and ask the AI to analyze it, provide feedback, identify weaknesses, and suggest improvements before you publish it. If you're a brand owner, content creator, or business owner, the possibilities are huge. You can upload a product image, ask the AI to come up with advertising concepts, creative directions, and marketing angles, and then let Higgsfield generate the visuals. In other words, Claude can help with the strategy and Higgsfield can help with the execution. That's a very powerful combination. So in today's video, I'm going to test it out and show you exactly how you can use it to create content for your brand, social media, marketing campaigns, and much more. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Now for this test, I'll be using Claude because I already have a Claude subscription, and personally, I think it's one of the most capable LLMs available right now. So first, open Claude and go to Settings. Once you're there, you'll see the Connectors option. If it says Connectors have been moved, don't worry. Just click on Customize, and it will take you to the correct page. From here, click the plus icon and select Add Custom Connector. Next, give your connector a name. I'll call mine Higgsfield. Now it's asking for the server URL, so let's get that. Open Higgsfield AI, sign in, and then navigate to the MCP and CLI section. From there, choose the LLM you're using. In my case, it's Claude, so I'll select Claude and copy the server URL it provides. Now go back to Claude, paste the URL into the connector field, and click Add, and that's it. The connector will be added, and Claude will now be connected to Higgsfield through MCP. At this point, everything is set up and ready to go. Now we can start combining Claude's reasoning and planning capabilities with Higgsfield's content generation tools and see what kind of workflows we can build. Okay, as you can see, I've already created a new chat, so let's test some of its capabilities and see how it performs. First, let's try the virality checker feature. For this test, I'll upload a video that I created a while ago. I already posted it on Instagram, so I'm curious to see how Higgsfield and Claude evaluates it. As you can see, the video has been uploaded. Now I'll simply ask it to analyze the video and provide a virality score. That's it. Just hit generate. What happens next is pretty interesting. Claude will connect to Higgsfield, analyze the video, and generate a detailed report based on its data and evaluation models. Now, to be clear, no tool can accurately predict whether a video will go viral. Nobody can guarantee that. But what it can do is estimate the potential performance of your content based on patterns and data. During the process, it may ask for a few permissions. If that happens, just approve them so Claude can access the necessary Higgsfield tools. And here are the results. As you can see, it analyzed the video and gave it a score of 48 out of 100, which falls into the low to mid range. And honestly, this was surprisingly accurate. I had already uploaded this video to Instagram, and although I expected it to perform well, it didn't do nearly as well as I hoped. So in this case, the score was actually quite close to the real outcome. That's why I think this feature is genuinely useful. It won't tell you whether a video is guaranteed to go viral, but it can help identify weaknesses, highlight potential issues, and give you an idea of how your content might perform before you publish it. Personally, I'm planning to use this for my future videos as an additional feedback layer. If it helps me spot problems before publishing, that's already a huge advantage. Okay, now let's try something even more interesting. For this example, I found a video on Instagram that had millions of views, and I wanted to see if I could recreate the same concept with a different character and style. So I uploaded the video and gave it a simple prompt. Basically, I asked it to keep the motion and overall structure of the original video, but replace the main character with this. That's it. Then I hit generate and let Claude and Higgsfield do their thing. Now what's happening behind the scenes is pretty impressive. It analyzes the source video, understands the movement, composition, and timing, then generates the necessary assets and creates a new version of the video. And if you want to use a specific model, you can simply mention it in your prompt, and it will use that model for the generation process. Very useful feature. And here's the result. Wow, this is honestly hilarious. See how easily it was able to capture the overall feel of the original video while transforming it into something completely different. That's what makes this workflow so powerful. Now, one thing I really like is that when you come across a video format or concept that's performing well, you can use it as inspiration, Analyze what makes it engaging, and then create your own version with different characters, branding, or creative direction. And with Claude and Higgsfield working together, that process becomes incredibly fast and accessible. And finally, this feature is especially useful for brand owners and businesses. Let's say you have a product and want to create high-converting ad creatives. Traditionally, you'd need a model, a location, a camera setup, and a lot of time. But with Claude and Higgsfield working together, the process becomes much simpler. Let me show you. For this example, I'll upload a product image and give it a simple prompt asking it to create a UGC-style try-on video. That's it. You can also provide additional information such as the product name, pricing, key selling points, or even your website URL. That gives the AI more context and helps it create more relevant content. Once you hit generate, Claude will analyze the information, plan the creative direction, and then use Higgsfield to generate the final content. And this is the result.
Okay, these shorts are so light. Love the white trim. Waist feels comfy, not tight. They move really well, and the cut is super flattering for workouts.
Amazing. The output looks incredibly realistic, and honestly, that's what impressed me the most. The overall presentation feels very close to the kind of content you see in real social media advertisements. Now, of course, AI-generated ads won't completely replace traditional production, but for businesses that don't have the budget for expensive models, professional studios, or large production teams, this can be a very powerful option. You can quickly create product showcases, UGC-style ads, marketing concepts, and social media creatives at a fraction of the traditional cost. And that's why I think the combination of Claude and Higgsfield is so interesting. One helps with the planning and creative direction, while the other helps bring those ideas to life. So definitely give it a try and see what you can create. The possibilities are honestly pretty impressive.